Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm making my friend Diamond some garlic butter shrimp with peppers, and it's going to be spicy. So let's get into it. It was very easy to make. So right here I have a stick of butter. Obviously I'm not going to use the whole thing, but we are going to use more than half of it. I have 3 colors of peppers, jalapeno for that heat and flavor. I have lots and lots of garlic and half of a lemon. And these are my shrimp. They're large, half-pound shrimp. I left the tails on and I washed them up and cleaned them up really well. So now let's make the rub. So to some brown sugar, I'm going to add some Old Bay. And pretty much everything will be in my description box if you guys need to see it. I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning from the Weber's line. I got this from the grocery store. And some pepper, and that's it. That all-purpose and the Old Bay has more than enough salt, in my opinion, for this dish. However, add your salt, and you could also taste your spice seasoning. If you feel as if you want salt, then go ahead and add it. This is how it looks, nice and well seasoned. You want to let it sit to the side for about 5 minutes. In this skillet, I have 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. And now we're just going to sear the shrimp and get it nice and crusty on both sides. So I cooked it on each side for about 2 minutes on medium-high heat until I got this color right here. Do not overcook your shrimp because they are going to cook again. Next, I'm going to add 3 whole tablespoons of butter to the skillet. You don't want to get rid of that stuff in the bottom because that's what's going to add a lot of flavor and color to your dish. So you just want to just scrape it up a bit with your spoon or your spatula and get it up off the bottom of the pot. Just like this. As the butter melts and the peppers saute down, it'll come right up. So right at the last couple minutes, I'm going to add my fresh garlic and a little more of that spice mix. And you want to mix it up just like this. And it's good to go after a couple minutes. Don't overcook the garlic. Don't. Next, you're going to add the shrimp. Y'all, look at the beautiful, beautiful shrimp. And the juices, everything that's with the shrimp, added right to the skillet. Next, you're going to put the half a lemon juice down in there and mix it up. And this is it. You're done. Garlic butter shrimp with peppers. And it's spicy. So I hope you guys liked it because I like making it, even though I can't eat it. Y'all, this is depressing. It is not right. It is so depressing, but hey, it is what it is. I think she's going to like it. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know what you think. And let me know if you think she's going to enjoy this dish. So now I'm going to plate it up. Don't y'all start with me about this rice. I already have this rice on my channel. As a matter of fact, this was made 2 days ago on another recipe video. So make sure you guys check that out. And this is how it looks. And I just put it in this container because, I didn't want to dirty anything else. And, it's more convenient, basically. So this is how it looks with the rice and the peppers. It smells amazing, you guys. And if you try, tag me. Let me know what you think. This is a blueberry cheesecake I made the other day. If you want this recipe, comment below and let me know. But don't start, okay? Love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.